Welcome to Aggie Safety video. This is one of the mandatory trainings required by OSHA covering fire extinguisher. In this training, we'll learn how fires start, how extinguishers work, and how to use them safely. Every year, thousands of fires cause injuries, deaths, and permanent job losses. Understanding how fires work and how to use a fire extinguisher properly can help keep fires small and controllable and can save lives. Let's start with the basics. Fires feed and breathe. Every fire needs three things to survive: heat, fuel, and oxygen. This is called the fire triangle. If you remove any one side of the triangle, the fire goes out. You can starve it by removing its fuel, cool it below its flash point, or smother it by cutting off oxygen. The flash point is the temperature where a material gets hot enough to burst into flames. Almost everything will burn if it gets hot enough, even steel. Now let's talk about understanding extinguishers. Fires that feed off different materials require different types of extinguishers. Using the wrong extinguisher can make the fire worse. For example, spraying a water-based solution on a gasoline fire causes the gasoline to float and spread. There are three main types of fires. Solid fuel fires: wood, paper, carpet, and similar materials. Use a Type A extinguisher to smother and cool the fire. Always look for electrical hazards before spraying. Liquid fuel fires: oil, grease, gasoline, and other flammable liquids. Use a Type B extinguisher so the fuel doesn't float. Again, check for electrical hazards. Electrical fires: anywhere high voltage exists. Use a Type C extinguisher that doesn't conduct electricity, and keep trying to shut off the power source. Remember, ABC extinguishers can be used on all of the above types of fires. Here's something most people don't realize. Most extinguishers last no more than 10 seconds of non-stop use. That means you have only a few seconds to act effectively. Now let's go over important safety facts. 1. Practice good housekeeping. Store flammable liquids properly. 2. When you see a fire, always give the alarm first. 3. Know all your emergency escape routes and extinguisher locations. 4. When synthetic materials burn, they give off toxic fumes. To avoid breathing these deadly gases, keep your head low, about 15 to 24 inches off the floor. 5. Since most extinguishers empty in less than 20 seconds, never use one on a major fire. Next, let's talk about the PASS method, the correct way to use a fire extinguisher. P. Pull the pin. This unlocks the extinguisher for use. A. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, starting from about 6 feet away. S. Squeeze the trigger in short bursts and check if it's working. S. Sweep back and forth across the base of the fire while slowly walking forward. Keep your focus on the base of the flames. That's where the fuel is. Spraying at the top of the fire won't stop it. Finally, remember these key points. Always use the correct extinguisher for the type of fire. Know your emergency routes and extinguisher locations before an emergency happens. Stay calm, act quickly, and never turn your back on a fire. If the fire is too large or spreading fast, evacuate immediately and let trained personnel handle it. Understanding how fires behave and how extinguishers work gives you the power to act safely and effectively. Fire safety isn't just about equipment. It's about awareness, quick thinking, and respect for the hazards around you. Stay alert, stay trained, and always remember: pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. That's how you fight a fire safely.